Guys, we're gonna be playing the new update. We're gonna be playing the new update in Animal Company. Yeah. Okay, guys. Bro, who the heck are you? Wait. Okay, good. It's disabled. Should we go to a public or should we do it? Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna do it in here then. Okay. Bro, why did I do that? Okay, guys. I'm just kidding.
I know the way.
I know the way. Another world. Oh. So I wanted to go to that place with the platforms. Yes, we're here. Yo. Okay, I'm gonna get my grappler out. Pickaxe. I wanna fall in the lava.
Disappear. The platforms collapse.
Wait, for real? They collapse? They collapse sometimes? Oh! Oh, nah! Oh, nah! Oh, nah! Oh my gosh! They collapse? What? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I almost died. I almost fell in the lava. Oh my gosh. Yo, is this Gods of Gravity? No way, it's Gods of Gravity. It's Gods of Gravity! Bro, this is basically inspired by Gods of Gravity. This is inspired by it, I know. It's so loud! Whoa! Right, there's some new ores. Oh, never mind. Oh! Radioactive broccoli! Wait, what is this one? What is this one? Well, I'm gonna put this in my backpack. Because the pink ones probably are rarer. So loud in here, holy crap. This is based off of Gods of Gravity. I'm positive it's... where are we going? Oh, I should have brought a light. Oh, bald spot. Oh. Oh crap, what was... Kill the spider, guys! Kill the spider! There's a spider on my suit. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. There's one right here. Oh crap.
I found the green hole.
Only what?
The teleport crystal, the tape.
Okay. Bruh. Yo, so what are those ones? So what do they do?
They make you small. Tiny, tiny.
They make you small? No way, bro. Wait, I wanna... Oh my gosh. Oh, my radioactive broccoli. Oh crap. Oh my gosh, I'm so small. My grappler is oversized. Oh my gosh. My grappler's bigger than me. How long? I'm gonna go flying, man. Wait! Oh my gosh! This is so cool, man. I mean, I don't know how. Oh, yes, I'm back. Whoa. Yeah, they added Gods of Gravity to the game. Yeah, so cool. Yeah. Bro, okay, well, I guess, see you guys, like, bye.